Diepsloot is in the north of Johannesburg under Region A. It's an informal settlement that has been established in 1995 in order to create a new environment for people from the north. The number of people residing in Diepsloot is plus or minus 800,000.
When it's raining, when the pipes are blocked or the pipes are burst there, then you see the water erosion on the street, whereby kids are playing around the water. So we just didn't want to see our kids playing with this dirty water. So that's why we started this cooperative to say, we must make sure that our children are safe.
Toilet is because we are toilet done and a couple of little effects the whole wash and
Diepsloot was chosen for the Community Plumbing Challenge 2016 in partnership with the WASSUP Community Plumbing Collective. Extension 1 is where WASSUP are primarily based. It's a really exciting collaboration with this group because they're local residents there. They know the area, they know the neighbours, the people, the local residents. For our international teams to get the experience to go into these neighbourhoods alongside the local community, it's a pretty unique experience. Extension 1, Diepsloot, it's a place full of clamour, people, and the experience of walking through it and the sights, the smells, the noise are like nothing I have experienced before, and like nothing that the young champions that we have involved in this project would have experienced before either, particularly when it comes to carrying out their trade in those conditions.
A lot of the work that I did on our team was about the culture and understanding how the community functions and a lot of what the people use these units we're working on for, and kind of understanding why they go into the state of disrepair that they do, and then how can we make that better.
The Community Plumbing Challenge this year is to move a series of 8 salvage toilet units back into the community after they have gone through a process of new design and fit out that the teams have created and developed over the last couple of months. They'll come here to work on that design and fit out, then collaborate together to come up with an overall best solution that combines their designs, and then take those units back out into the community where they can be reconnected and put back into place for the local residents.
One of the key aims of the Community Plumbing Challenge is to be a total educational experience for all involved. So here in Diepsloot we have students from the University of Joburg, Wits University and local Diepsloot artists and designers involved in our Fusion Design Hub. We're also working with young filmmakers for our collaboration with the School of Science and Technology in Singapore to produce the film content to tell the story of the event. We have students from the Plumbing Academy in Soweto who have joined us in connection with the South African team. We see this as being a key part of the program to bring people together.
We have enjoyed a lot with working with the other teams and getting the knowledge and the techniques from them, and also appreciating their technologies and knowledge, and we are hoping to see the smile of the people of the Diepsloot.
I volunteered to be in this coverage team because we want to help the youth, because they have more talent in filming and in media things.
The teams are coming from 4 different countries, and the challenge that we are asking them to do is to bring the best innovation and technology to put it together to deliver a sustainable design for a toilet unit for the Diepsloot community.
Within each freestyle design, each team is installing water meters and data loggers to monitor the usage of water in Diepsloot for the following 3 months after the Community Plumbing Challenge. The second unit is a collaborative unit, so each team will discuss their ideas with the WASSUP team and decide on the best solution from all the ideas from around the world as best practice for this Diepsloot community.
I think it's like the people that are going to use that this toilet is going to be plus minus 1.3, 1.5 to 2,000. So you can see that there's a lot of people that are going to be helped by this toilets.
All of these local and global partnerships, for example, Sticky Situations, Johannesburg Water, Healthabitat, Diepsloot Arts and Culture Network, WASSUP, Wot-If, local government, we all bring knowledges and resources that are individual to ourselves and our organisations that helps develop workable and sustainable solutions.
If we can just get the perfect pair of toilet or solution from the guys that are going to do this, I think we'll adopt that and try to expand that thing to extension 1. The toilet that are going to get, the one that is like, okay, they are going to be modified at 8, and the other we are going to put the 2 urinals, so that it means it's 10.
These units are really easy to be maintained, whether it's changing a simple tap washer to changing the water meter inside. You just need to select a few tools, such as pliers, multi-grips, shifters, and maybe some footprints. And all the sources needed to replace parts that may be gone wrong or broken can be easily sourced through local hardwares or local plumbing suppliers, as everything we've used on our unit was from local suppliers.
Through arts, we educate everyone, because everyone can sit and watch us act, can sit and watch us sing, can buy our songs through online. And as long as we talk about something positive in the community, these guys, they are drawn into art. And now, through art, they get to get the message, and then they get to take care of their toilet.
The first thing is I grew up in a similar context. So for me, it's all about me giving back to where I came from and just making a difference and starting small to make a difference. With that being said, I think this community challenge for me is a platform to start testing new ideas and just being innovative.
I'm happy because ke nagana gore di tlo re thuša le gore batho ba thaba kakela mo ka dipakete ba tšholla mo fase, at least till le re thušitše ka toilete tše dingwe batho ba ka se sa kgona go kakela ka dintong ba thaba tšholla ka dipakete.
There are changes that's going to happen here in Diepsloot. Diepsloot is from some of the people, it's scary. Yes, we know that. But I think from now on, if we keep the level of sticking into the point that we want to change our community, then everything is going to be okay.
Modi mohalite ha yo mata ta yo mata ta yo modi mohal ha yo mata ta yo